Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku. This is a Sudoku Heavy. So let's get started. Yeah. I see here in this big square 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this row, so no 3 and a 7 in these two boxes, so the 3 and a 7 goes in those two boxes. 3 and a 7, I mark them. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7, easier to follow. That means the other two boxes are the boxes for the 6 and a 5. 6 and a 5. I only mark the boxes with the pairs, then you can follow this easier. How about the 2, 3, 6, 4, 7. All right. We have a 3 in this column, a 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then how about 2, 5, 2, 2, 2, 2. I see here in this big square 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. One of the missing numbers in this big square is also the number 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. That means we have a 4 in this row, a 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the 4 could be here, here, or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. Here also 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Then, how about the number 2 in the third column, the 2 in the second column? So in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. The 9. Yeah. How about the number? We have, yeah. In the first row, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here or could be there, but we see here already a 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here also 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row. The numbers are the 2 and the 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 6 goes there. Then in this big square, the 2 is a missing number in one of these 6 missing numbers. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. There 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So this 2 could be here or could be there. So we have in the last row a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for a 2 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for a 2 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 2. Let me see with the other digit. How about... let me see. We have a 6 here already. So here cannot be a 6. This should be a 5, and this should be a 6. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for a 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Yes. In this big square, no. We have a 1 in this row, a 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then I cannot, 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 7. How about the number 3? Yeah. No. We have a pair here in these 2 boxes because we have in this big square, the 4 and the 1 are the missing numbers in these 6 empty boxes. We have a 4 and a 1 here, so no 4 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 and a 1 in this column, so no 4 and a 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. Yes? Then 9. 5, 2. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. No. I need to wait. How about for 9? Here's supposed to be the 9. 9, yes. No, I need to wait. I'm thinking. 3, 7, and a 5. Here 3, there 3. 3, 7, and a 5. 5. This one is also not so easy. 7. I'm thinking. We have a 4 in this column, a 4 in that column, so in the middle column the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers now. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 7 and the 8 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. The missing numbers here are the 3 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3. This should be a 7, and this should be a 3. 1 box left in the 3rd column for the number 5. 5 in the 3rd column, 5 in the 2nd column, so in the 1st column the only place for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 9 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 in the 1st row, 7 in the 2nd row. So in the 3rd row, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for the 7 could be here, or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes. How about the 2 now? 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the 3rd row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the number? 4 and 1 we have here. How about these two numbers in this column? The missing numbers are the 9 and the 9 and the 6. 9 and the 6. Can I do something? No, 9 and the 6 I cannot. But I see here in this big square 3 missing numbers, and one of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Then I know this number, the 9 and the 6. So this should be the 6. Here we have 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 6 and the 5. That means 1 box left in this column. Should be the number 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. So it's a pair. I need to mark them. How about 6 and 5? Yes, the one in this column, the one in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there, but I see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 4 and 1 are left. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 4 here or there, but I see here 4. No 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Now we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. The 6 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 1 number, no. We have here the 6 and the 5. How about these 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8? We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and 8. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 6. Now we have a 6. So this cannot be a 6. This should be the 6, and this should be the 5. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. Do you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe if you like or if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Anyway, thank you again for watching this episode, and we will meet again as soon as possible. There are extra Sudokus left in the additional, so I will see you soon. Thank you and bye bye for now.